Hello, I'm Mabuhay mga ka-Unicorns! Welcome back to my rock channel. At kung bago lang sa channel ko, don't forget to click subscribe and click the notification bell para ma-update ka sa mga walang kwenta nating videos. Today's vlog, as you can see, my very own makeup artist is here again and again and again, Selena channel. As you can see, she is very full glam because she did a second video to her YouTube channel. Mag-subscribe kayo sa YouTube channel niya, Selena channel.
Hi guys, it's me, Selena's channel. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and don't forget to subscribe my rock channel.
From the house of channel. As you can see from the title, we're doing the hashtag rainonme, darling. Ariana Grande music video, Rain on Me, inspired makeup. Mga haba, no? Basta, ang gagawin namin makeup look is inspired sa makeup ni Ariana Grande sa music video ng Rain on Me with Lady Gaga. And she will do my makeup. Let's proceed to the video. Sa mga nakapanood ng music video ni Lady Gaga and Ariana Grande sa Rain on Me, di ba yung eyeshadow niya, napaka-simple lang, medyo brown, tapos cat wing lang, and with a little glitter effect over here na talagang napaka-iconic. As you can see, ito pa yung picture. As you can see, yeah. Ganyan po, since wala po kaming white na liner na glitter, mag-revise po kami ng ibang glitter. Pero gagawin namin yung pagkaka-shape niya sa kanyang mata. Di ba, moms? Yeah. So, let's proceed to the eye makeup. The finished makeup and wait for my final transformation. Ariana Grande in the house. Char!
Wave Beats Music.
And this is the finished look, mga ka-Unicorns. Hope you like this Ariana Grande Rain on Me inspired makeup. And look at her, that's her glam to her second YouTube video, right? Yes. Don't forget to subscribe to Selena channel on YouTube kasi nag-start na po siya. And ayun po ang kanyang glam makeup. And thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and share for your friends. And don't forget to ring the notification bell para ma-update ka sa mga walang kwenta kong videos. See you on my next one. Bye!